do conscious breathing. Inhale to your nose and exhale to your mouth. So how do these hands feel for you?
Very light, feels good.
Feels light,
Yeah.
feels good. It's a part of you.
My body is scared though. I'm feeling that.
All of you is welcome here.
I can feel the resistance though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Open here, keep on breathing. Can you tell me how you're feeling?
It hurts.
It hurts.
It hurts. I don't.
It hurts.
Yeah. It
Yeah.
hurts. That's so painful.
It's so painful.
I want to let it go.
You want to let it go. How's that feel that you want to let it go,
I
but
wanna
it's so
let it go.
painful? How does that feel for you?
It's making me mad
Making
that my
mad.
body's holding on to it, and I
Mhm.
want to let it go.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I'm so tired of holding on to the shit. I want to let it go.
Yeah. Good. Yeah.
Let it go.
Yeah. 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 Can you see the part of you that don't want to let it go?
I feel it all the fucking time.
Yeah. How does that feel for you?
It sucks.
It must be so exhausting, huh?
It is exhausting.
Yeah.
It's a lot to hold in.
It's a lot to hold.
Please,
Yeah.
you can let it go.
Yeah.
It's such a
Feel some
struggle.
compassion for your body, for this part of you that doesn't let it go.
And they're so beautiful and they don't know it.
Yeah.
But I'm here. And I feel all the violation.
A lot of violation.
I feel all the violation.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Part of you some love that deserve the love. Yeah. Yeah. here, they can't speak, they can't swallow it. It's